Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this super Chrome shortcut widget on your any mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to add this Chrome search bar on your home screen in your any phones. So first of all, update your Chrome browser, then long press on your home screen, click on the widget option. After clicking on the widget option, you just scroll down, you have to find option called Chrome. Click on the Chrome section. Now you have the first widget is just talking about just drag, just long press it and drag and drop it, or click on the add widget. Now you just need to long press on the widget so you can have this option to maximize it. So you can just maximize it like this. If you just maximize it like this, you can find more options. Here you can find the voice search and also the incognito mode, lens search, and also the game option. So you can just click this dinosaur and you can just play the dinosaur game whenever you just need it. And you can just click on the search or type URL directly and you can just use it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.